The influence of cinema. The pre-war romantic ideal of boy and girls was to become a film star. Today it is to get on television or to lead a pop group or to make a best-selling record. Perhaps even get it into the top 10. Such perhaps is the measure of the DC line in influence and importance suffered by the cinema in its primary role, that of an entertainment medium. Today in Britain and the USA, through not yet in Malaysia. General, a cinema queue is a rarity for less films are produced nowadays a Hollywood and Britain than in the 1930, the golden year, and these belong to relatively few categories. Three qualities of the cinema in Britain have already closed down or gone over to bingo gambling game. A cynic tells the following story. A man rang to the local cinema manager and asked, "And what time does the program start?" The manager replied, "What time can you get here? The cinema is dying a linging yet in the west, and the death blow has, of course, been dealt by television. Why should people go out and pay for entertainment when they can be entertained at home?" The cinema industry adopts the sense of this and now contends on producing film feature, domestic serial, western, hospital and law serial, drama exclusively for the television screen. And what then is left for the cinema proper? Very little, but what there is such become of the present limitation of television. First of all, the long drama, the epic usually on a biblical or classical theme, needs time, space on the wide screen and color, while there is limitation on the size of the television screen and the number of channels available. But this is a transitional period and ultimately no film will be made for showing in cinema theater. This assumes, of course, that enough people will be able to afford television set. There will be a long period during which proper section of population will look toward his cinema as their cheap means of entertainment. The experimental theatre of France and Italy has done much to turn cinema technique into an art form. Epics are good, sometimes very good indeed. Through often they tend to lose their dramatic value through too much noise and movement. Provided such films only are seen, the cinema goer can defend his habit, but he or she is open to criticism if the film showing X or violence or horror is preferred. But the main charge against the cinema goer is that he is wasting time which could better be spent in productive or creative activity. It is perfectly true that no student or any other ambitious person can afford that time to spend long hours at the cinema, and if he prefers to watch the worst time of film, there is chance that he will carry some of the wrong idea, if not actual violence and immorality, into its own life. The cinema, all the same, properly used, is a legitimate means of television. Moreover, there are certain advantages to be gained from intelligent and moderate cinema going, as the medium is vision and sound. Illiteracy is no barrier to learning, and the minds of many primitive people must have been immensely broadened by the cinema, providing it is not used for propaganda purpose. And the cinema and also disseminate good social and moral, sometimes even religious ideas and ideals. Such also can be learned from documentary film, whether seen in school or in the cinema. Film are valuable adjust to military training. And in many advanced study, the film is also a useful means and not only for discriminating but also of recording the culture of nation. Often when such culture expressed in native dancing, folk arts and craft etc. are in danger of dying, but through westernization, the folk stories, the play and the dancing of the Indian, Malaya and Chinese culture have been captured forever, and the film recording them will ultimately become historical document. Like any other means of communication, the cinema has been and will be devices from time to time, but at its best the film is to value to the community, and the cinema properly used can be a positive value in the field both entertainment and education.